How to watch WWE live on Hulu. To watch WWE live events on Hulu, you need to use the Hulu Plus Live TV plan, as WWE events including WWE Raw and SmackDown air on USA Network and Fox, which are available through the Live TV plan. Here's how you can watch WWE live on Hulu. Step number 1, subscribe to Hulu Plus Live TV. Go to the Hulu website or open the Hulu app. Choose the Hulu Plus Live TV plan. This plan includes access to live channels such as USA Network for WWE Raw and Fox for WWE SmackDown. If you're new to Hulu, you may be eligible for a free trial. Step number 2, access the Live TV section. Open the Hulu app or website. Navigate to the Live TV section to find the channels broadcasting WWE events like USA Network or Fox. Step number 3, watch WWE live events. Look for WWE Raw airs on USA Network or WWE SmackDown airs on Fox in the Live TV channel guide. Select the event you want to watch and start streaming live. Step number 4, record WWE events. This is optional. You can also use Hulu's Cloud DVR feature to record WWE events and watch them later if you missed the live broadcast.